Do you have a pencil? Because I want to erase your past and write our future. Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Kim Camaro of Room, and welcome to my second video. I'm super excited to be posting this. So as you guys can tell, I'm so sorry about this. I'll explain this later on. So today I did this sunset look using this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I am obsessed with this palette. It has a lot of crazy colors, not something you would see in a natural palette or another kind of palette. The one thing I honestly don't like about, you know, ordering this, it's online, and then it took me like about 2 to 3 weeks just to get this, and I am a very impatient person. And another thing I kind of don't like about this is all kind of like it has shimmers inside of it. It's not very matte, and I'm more of a matte person, but you know, it's actually pretty good. It is well pigmented. You know, it's kind of just nice to do crazy colors, you know, like the sunset look. But anyways, I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys continue watching, and let's get to it. Oh my gosh, Kimberly, why are you sitting on the floor? Well, you know what? I'm human. My knees hurt. I'm tired of standing up all the time, and I think I deserve to sit down and actually make my butt useful for once. Another question is, ew, why is the other half of your face ugly? Well, I only want to do half of my makeup today because I want to, and because I'm lazy. But let's get to it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this yellow, and I'm going to grab my blending brush, and then I'm just going to apply it onto like on the crease area and just kind of blend it out here, like from the inner, and then kind of start from the outer. But try not to go too high with this, and we'll be right back. Alright, so after blending that out, you're gonna go ahead and go to the darker yellow, and you're gonna use the same brush by like using like the side of it, and then I'm gonna go in under the crease. Sorry, like over here, like where the crease area is. So I think like the good thing, the main tip for blending is you kind of want to go like swiping back and forth, and you also want to do like circular motions like that. And then 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and you just want to go, like keep on repeating that. If you're starting out with makeup, you just want to make sure that you're blending good. You know, so I'm just gonna grab a clean blending brush, and I'm just kind of going to blend it all out. Another thing that I am doing is I'm going to be grabbing this lighter lipstick. It's kind of in an orange shade, so I'm just gonna grab a flat brush. Just do that, and then I'm just going to add it like in the. Add it into like the eyelid right over here. And because it is lipstick, it is more easy to blend. Yeah, it is more easier way to blend. I personally love using lipstick as eyeshadow. I don't know, it's like very well pigmented, and it's like, you know, just like how I said earlier, you want to do like the circular motions. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this orange right over here. And I'm just going to use this to darken the, like the crease area, and kind of to give it more of like more action. I'm gonna add it over here. See, I'm trying to avoid and I didn't do a good job at it, but I'm just trying to avoid going like too much over here and just kind of go over it, because I'm going to go in with some highlight later on. I'm going to be grabbing an angled brush, this one right here, and I'm going to go in with this red, and I'm just gonna like pat it very lightly. And then I'm going to go in with the same like over here. Just go like a little bit of lower than what you did before, at least with the orange. Excuse me. You know, just kind of go a little bit out and under. Okay, then I'm just gonna turn it around, and I'm just kind of going to blend it a little. To actually go back in with the yellow, because it's not that noticeable, where it's kind of not blending in well. kind of with the flat brush. And then I'm gonna mix those two colors together. Right over here, and then I'm just gonna go along with the middle right over here. The yellow right here. And I'm going to add it into the inner corner of my eyes. Here, using the same brush. And then I'm going to add it on the lower eyelash. Red. This one right here, using the same brush. And then I'm just going to do it like in the outer corner. Then with one of the same blending brushes I used earlier, you're just going to blend it all out. Go back in with the lipstick. I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the lipstick. And then I'm just going to add it in the middle. And then just tap it around a little. I don't know why I'm red. Just kind of blend off my fingers. Blend the edges around. And with some white eyeliner. And I'm just going to add it on the lower lash line. See, it kind of... See, so you want to use white eyeliner under your eye just to make your eyes look bigger. And not only I wanted to become an actress so badly, I think I could be a really good actress. Probably in a telenovela, because why not? Do you know how awesome it'll be? And because I think most of the famous people that we know over here, you know, they're like, they don't speak Spanish. Like, it's not mainly just Spanish. Okay, let me give you guys an example. Ready? Raúl, ¿por qué me dejaste por este pinche mujer? Sí, mírala. Ni tiene cejas. Ella tiene que pintarlo. Yo no, mira mis cejas. Son de verdad. Raúl, por favor, no me dejas, por favor. Te amo. ¿Sabes qué? Si vas, yo me voy a matar. Por favor, no me dejas. No, por favor. Estoy embarazada. Ay, Raúl, vamos a tener un hijo. Y si me dejas, nunca lo vas a saber. Want to be like in like a new TV show, not Disney, because most Disney characters go crazy when they get out of Disney, and I'm not ready to be crazy. I don't want to do drugs. My life, drugs are bad for you. The agencies watching this and they need people for their commercials, I would be more than happy to audition for it. You already saw me auditioning for telenovela, but here, let me give you an example. Have you ever wondered how come you're still so tired after taking a long nap? Is your body tired? Are you just trying to recover from those bad days that you had? But have you ever wondered, maybe you're just dehydrated? Yeah, I said it. You're dehydrated. Dehydrated. Be parched, and then be quenched. Delicious. People who love my eyeliner, or they just ask like, oh my gosh, how do you get it so thin? But see, it all depends on the brush and what kind of eyeliner you're using. So this one, I'm going to use the NYX Vanilla Liquid Liner, and you always want to like have like a brush that's similar to this. You see how thin it is? And so that's going to help you a lot with achieving a thin eyeliner. I just go like super close to my lash line. So ready? That's what I'm going to do. You see how it's just one easy thing, one easy step. And then what I like doing is I like starting from the middle and then going down. And then you just want to fill in all the parts that you missed. Waterproof pencil eyeliner. It's because you don't want, because I'm going to be adding along the line over here just to give it more of a fuller effect. And I just simply do it like that. There you go. Ooh, I need to sharpen that. Amazing, wow. And then I'm going to go along with the lower lash line, just grab some mascara. You could use any mascara that you want. And you just kind of want to clean up the white eyeliner part. My eyelashes, I've been curling it for a long time now, and my eyelashes kind of lost their shape. And it looks like I have no eyelashes. Powder, like, just pat it like that. And then I just put it over here, my eyelashes. First type of mascara I'm using is the Falsies Push Up Angel. I honestly love this mascara. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. And then kind of do that. See, and also like I kind of like close my eyes a little just to give it more of a push up. I got this from Marshall's. It was $2. It's a dupe for I believe it's called like Their Real Mascara. You can get it at Sephora. And then just do the exact same thing. Okay, so this is the final look. You see what I mean, but with all the blending and how the lipstick helps with blending. So yes, girl, there you go. Amazing, 10 out of 10. And I'm so sorry about like the lipstick that I added just to get this part over here, but you could always go along and just do it the orange, or you know, just kind of do like with a very similar look. Yes, and there you go. So I hope you guys really liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment that I should really become an actress, or if any of you guys watching this know someone who's, you know, like auditioning any people, oh my gosh, I'm right here. But if you guys honestly hated this video, just also give it a thumbs up and I'll deactivate my account. I'm pretty smart, so I think I could kind of see who did like it and who didn't, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys like this. I hope you guys do use this in the future, and if you guys have, just comment and tell me how it was and how it looks on you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.